Hi everyone, welcome to our JS Academy. In this video, I will solve one question. There was a question in KSET 2017. The initial value problem, dy by dx is equal to y power 1 by 3, comma, y of 0 is 0. Option A, as a unique solution in R, where R is a real number. As no non-zero solution in R, option C. As no solution in R, option D. As more than one solution in R. Okay. Now this is ordinary differential equation, initial value problem. Now we see the theory behind this example. Existence and uniqueness theorem for initial value problem. Statement is like this: for existence, if f of xy is a continuous in a real number, then the solution of f of x comma y comma c equal to 0 is exist in some open interval I containing a point x naught. Okay, if a given function is continuous in R, then solution is exist in some interval I at a point x naught. And for uniqueness, statement is like this: if in addition dou f by dou y, it means that a partial derivative of that given function with respect to y is continuous, then this solution is unique. Otherwise, it has more than one solution. Okay. Now come back to that example. Now you see, in the first case, I will let f is equal to y to the power 1 by 3. And the initial condition is y of 0 is equal to 0. No doubt this function is continuous in throughout a real number. Okay, is continuous in R. Therefore, solution is exist. No doubt. Okay, solution is exist by existence theorem. Then whether a solution is unique or not, we need to check. For that one, I required a partial derivative with respect to y. Now I will consider dou f by dou y. It will become 1 by 3 y to the power 1 by 3 minus 1. It is nothing but 1 by 3 y to the power 1 minus 3, nothing but minus 2 by 3. Okay, it is 3 y to the power 2 by 3. Okay, but this is not continuous at a point 0. Okay, this is not continuous at a point 0. Therefore, uniqueness theorem fails. It means that existence and uniqueness theorem fails. Therefore, given equation has more than one solution. Okay, maybe more than one solution. Now let us see what are the solution for the given differential equation. Okay, now for the solution, this is a given differential equation is a dy by dx y to the power 1 by 3, and initial condition is y of 0 is equal to 0. Okay. Now by variable separable method, it can be written as dy divided by y to the power 1 by 3 is equal to dx. Now integrating on both sides, it will become integration of dy by dx on LHS, not dx. This is y to the power 1 by 3 and integration of dx. Now it will become, after integrating, simple calculation, y to the power 1 by 3 plus 1 divided by minus 1 by 3 plus 1 is equal to x plus some arbitrary constant c. Now once again it will become 3 by 2 y to the power 2 by 3 is equal to x plus c. By applying initial conditions, now it will become 3 by 2 0 and 0 plus 0. In case of x and y, we input 0, we get c equal to constant is equal to 0. It implies that y to the power 2 by 3 is equal to y by 3 is equal to 2 by 3 into x. Now this is nothing but y is equal to 2 by 3 to the power 3 by 2 x to the power 3 by 2 is one solution, and y of 0 0 is also one more solution. Sorry, this is also one more solution, because we put these values in our given differential equation, it will become, so it satisfies y of 0 0 equal to 0. Therefore this example has more than two solutions, and you see the options. Option D is the right answer. Correct, simple example. Okay, therefore I will select option D for this example. Thank you one and all. For more videos, please subscribe our YouTube channel.